In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text after site title in Squarespace. If you want to place extra text right after your site title, the quickest way to do it is by using custom CSS inside Squarespace. This method is simple once you know where to go, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path so you can make the change smoothly. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to edit. From your main site dashboard, click on Website. This is where you'll find the main settings and content controls for your site, including the area we need for this customization. Once you're inside the website section, click on Pages. Even though we're not editing a page directly, this is the place where Squarespace gives you access to additional site-level customization tools. If you're new to Squarespace, this can feel a little hidden at first, so just take your time and follow the navigation carefully. After that, click on Custom Code. This section is used for code-based edits and styling changes that go beyond the standard design options. It's especially useful when you want to adjust how certain elements appear without rebuilding your site layout. Inside Custom Code, click on Custom CSS. This is the exact area where you can paste styling rules to change the appearance of your site title and add text after it. Custom CSS lets you fine-tune design details, so it's a powerful option for small visual edits like this one. Now paste the code into the custom CSS editor. Make sure you insert the full code exactly as intended, because even a small typo can prevent it from working properly. Once the code is in place, Squarespace usually previews the change right away, so you may be able to see the text appear after the site title immediately. If you don't see the update at first, try refreshing the page or checking whether your site header style supports the site title in the way the code expects. In some templates or header layouts, results can look slightly different, so a quick preview on both desktop and mobile is a good idea. When everything looks right, save your changes. That's it. You've successfully added text after your site title in Squarespace using custom CSS. This is a great way to add a tagline, short message, or extra branding detail while keeping your header clean and professional.